Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing, this is going to actually be a new subscription on my channel. I'm very excited to try it out. Yes, I do pay my own money for this subscription. It is called Luxury Divas. This is how the box looks. I went ahead and already cut into it just so to make it easy for this video. If you are interested in signing up for this subscription, it is $35 a month, which is not bad at all. And I will leave a link below that will actually save you 10 bucks off. Yes, 10 bucks off your very first subscription. So I think that's amazing. But a little bit about this subscription, it is lifestyle. They do sell products on their website. So you can check them out for sure. I'm going to have everything linked below. But you basically are assigned a stylist. And that doesn't mean, oh, your box is going to be full of like outfits. It's not like that. But when you first sign up, they're going to ask you, like, they're going to give you a list of options. So it can be like shirts, belts, whatever. And then it'll ask you, what is your least favorite of those items? So mine, I'm a big girl, so I don't do belts. I don't have a waistline. There's no point. So I said belts. So hopefully, if my stylist paid attention to my profile, I will not have a belt in here, nor shall I ever have a belt, hopefully. Also, I think they asked me what my least favorite color was, which I didn't really mind any of the colors, but you have to choose one. So I chose blue because that is my least favorite. I love teal, but I'm not really a blue person. But anyways, so let's get into this box and see how they did. I'm very excited. Again, this is my first month. So the first thing I see in here, this is a card. And on the other side of it, there's a handwritten note. So this must be my stylist. It says, "Hello, Gina. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you with us into this 2020 season. It's always a joy to curate these. Have a happy new year. Love, Marina." So cute. And so then this is Marina. So hello, Marina, if you ever watch my video. And it looks like she gave me a treat, some Crystal Light pink lemonade. Love that. And by the way, Marina, your little pink pen is everything. I just want to say that. Also, if you're wondering what sizes they have on this website, they do go up to 3X, okay? So I'm going to put that out there. All right, so this must be the paper that tells me all the items I got. It tells me how much each item is worth. It tells me about the product. And it also tells me the total retail value. So my total retail value of this particular box is $110. Holy crap, they even put my name on here. If this doesn't make me feel personalized, I don't know what does. So that is a great touch, guys. So I'm not just any random person. Like I am the person they style for. And now I know it. My name is on it. So let's see how she did. So I'm just going to grab the first thing I see. The rest is bundled, like in a bundle. So this is the first thing not in a bundle. So what are you? Swell. www.swellbottle.com. The Textile Collection. Insulated stainless steel water bottle. And then it says, on the lid, it says hot for 12 hours, cold for 24 hours. And apparently the one I got is Mumbai. Mumbai? Okay. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, fancy. So this is my insulated bottle. It's actually really cute. Okay, so where are you at? Swell bottles feature a triple layered vacuum insulated construction and are designed to keep beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. They are BPA free. The colorful print is inspired from beautiful textiles from India and Africa, and says it's available in multicolor, and it's $24. It's really cute. Yay. All right, so that's item number one. Let me open up. This is my bundle. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. The tissue even says Luxury Divas. That's cute. All right, so this is the first item I see in here. Let's see, what are you? Long arm warmers with thumb hole. Fine rib knitting brings texture and warmth to these adorable and cozy arm warmers. They keep your fingers free for selfies and texting. Very important, guys, very important. Each pair is completed with our signature LD plaque finished in silver polish. And the colors you could have received was white, pink, red, or black. And it retails for $15. And I got black. I like that. Black will go with anything and everything. And it tells you, so I guess this is a Luxury Divas brand. And it tells you machine wash warm, tumble dry low. So it tells you how to care for the item. And I will go ahead and try it on for you real quick. Give you an idea what it looks like. So it's this long. That is cute. Definitely keeps your arms warm. And it's long enough, like if you have a really long arm or your arm's short enough, you can scrunch it up or pull it higher. I like that. Isn't that cute, guys? I like that. Yay. Love it. Okay. That's very unique. So far, it's a unique box. That's what I've been wanting, is like something different. And this just might be it. All right. So the next thing I see in here is socks. They do actually feel pretty decently thick. They're not like super heavy thick, but they're not thin either, okay? So this is 2-pack gray mixed print crew socks. Soft neutral tones of gray and beige were used to create these fashionable crew socks, knit from a soft and breathable blend of materials. This cute 2-pack is just what your sock drawer needs. Available in multicolor. And then these are $16 socks. But look at this pair. Isn't that cute? And then this is the other one, which I wore gray today. It was like they just knew. They knew. Told you it was personalized for me. Okay. Here's the next item. So I actually got some makeup. This says Italia Deluxe 2-pack luxurious lip liner. Pucker up and apply your new lip pencils from Italia Deluxe that have a rich matte color. These are perfect for outlining your lips or completely coloring them in when you, I cannot talk, oh my God. Or completely coloring them in when you want a smooth, long-lasting finish. Available in multicolor, and this retails for $10. So let's check out the colors they gave me. Oh, this is very terracotta. I love terracotta. Oh my God. It is a wooden pencil, but let's see how it feels. Not bad at all. It's a pretty color. Okay. It's actually creamy for a wooden pencil. Usually wooden pencils are rough. These feel good. This one's Dusty Rose. The other one, the shade is called Natural. Yep, this one's creamy too. They feel great. But these are the two shades. Love that. So far, she did a great job. So $10. All right. And then I got this item. So we got my little sachet, silky little bag. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at this bracelet. Okay, so it's 3 different bracelets. And there's a silver one, a gold one, and a rose gold. These are really pretty, guys. That's gorgeous. Okay. Let's see. What are you? Rhinestone Charm Tricolor 3-piece bracelet set. The lustrous combination of silver, rose gold, and gold will nicely fit in with any jewelry collection. Each gleaming textured bracelet features a crystal solitaire charm, adding the perfect touch of sparkle and shine. Wear 1, 2, or stack all 3. And these were $20. They're actually really pretty. I love those. I don't wear bracelets a lot, but I would wear these for sure. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, the last item in here, I see pink. I see pink. Okay, so it says pink plus. Ignore the plus. They meant many. Just kidding. I'm plus size. I don't care. Pink plus long sleeve V-neck tee. Be completely carefree in the long sleeve tee cut from silky smooth material that is ideal for layering. This extra soft cotton blend tee has a clean, comfortable look with an easy, relaxed fit. You could have got it in black, gray, or pink. So obviously I got pink, and it is $25. And this is the shirt. Let me tuck in the size real quick, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's pretty, right? It's a very pretty pink color. Look at me, and it's long sleeve. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Again, $35. Every month, you get a personal stylist. It's unique items. It's lifestyle. It's not just clothes. Like, it was something different. I needed this in my life. And again, I'm going to leave a link down below to save you $10 off your first purchase. So check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, bro. Smash the subscribe button, the like button, you know, all that good stuff. Help me out. But anyways, no, for real, I'd love to have you join my channel. I'm a goofy person. I don't take myself too seriously, and hopefully you're here for that because that's who I am. So, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Mwah!